Hi everyone! Welcome to our training for FWD Set for Health. My name is Leslie and in the next few minutes, I will walk you through this product para mas ma-explain natin ng simple at engaging sa mga clients natin. Set for Health is one of the best traditional products ni FWD. This is our 3 times major critical illness insurance product. We also call it zero waste insurance because of the feature niya na if walang mangyaring major critical illness claim sa client natin, lahat ng premiums na binayad ng client natin ay ibabalik din sa kanila. Or, simply to say, money back guarantee sila. Now, when it comes to investment, wala pong investment ang ating Set for Health product, pero meron siyang cash value na napoproduce. Ito namang cash value na to, this is an amount to be given to the client if he surrenders the plan. Sa cash value na to, pwedeng makapag-loan ng ating mga client with an interest rate of 8% per year. Now, when it comes to benefit period, tandaan natin na hanggang 75 years old lang ang coverage period ng ating FWD Set for Health. When it comes to insured age limit, kayang-kaya nating mag-insure from 15 days old na client up to 60 years old. Term payments, napaka-flexible ng ating FWD Set for Health. In fact, meron siyang 5 years, 10 years, or 20 years to pay. We just have to take note of the following. For example, for 5-year to pay plan until 60 years old lang na client ang pwedeng maka-avail nito. When it comes to 10 years to pay na plan, until 55 years old na client lang ang allowed for this. Or kapag naman 20 years to pay na plan, until 45 years old lang na client ang pwedeng maka-avail nitong term payment na to. Kunyari, meron kayong client na 56 years old. Si 56-year-old na client ay hindi na pwedeng kumuha ng 10 years to pay na policy. Ang pwede na lang sa kanya ay yung 5 years to pay na Set for Health term payment. Kung meron naman kayong client na 44 years old, ibig sabihin kahit ano sa 5 years, 10 years, or 20 years to pay, pwedeng-pwede pa sa kanya. Now, let's talk about the features ng ating Set for Health product. So, of course, number 1, merong death benefit ang plan na ito at ang coverage na nabibigay natin sa ating clients ay minimum of 500,000 pesos to 10 million pesos. The beneficiaries can claim 100% of the sum assured on top of the critical illness claim or claims when the insured dies. So, ibig sabihin nito, kahit na nagamit na ng ating life insured yung 3 major critical illness benefits niya sa plan, even if nagamit na rin niya yung minor critical illness benefit niya sa plan, if the insured dies eventually, 100% pa rin ng kung magkano yung death benefit amount ang marireceive ng mga beneficiaries. Major critical illness benefit. As you know guys, diba, meron tayong kino-cover na 42 major critical illnesses and our life insured can claim up to 3 times. So for example, no, ang ating client kumuha sa iyo ng 5 million pesos na Set for Health na plan, ibig sabihin the client can claim 3 times of that 5 million pesos. So total of 15 million pesos ang kanyang major critical illness claim benefit. Sa pagki-claim ng major critical illness, we have to take note of the following. Number 1, each claim must be from a different illness group. Let me show you first yung listahan natin ng 42 major critical illnesses na kino-cover natin. So as you can see, meron tayo ditong 5 different groups. Group 1, cancer or all forms of advanced cancer. Group 2, mga major organ failure related na illnesses. Group 3, heart and blood vessel. Group 4, neuromuscular related illnesses. And Group 5, others. Second, the next illness must be diagnosed at least 1 year after the previous one. Ibig sabihin, kapag magkiklaim na yung client natin ng second niya or pang third na major critical illness benefit niya, kailangan may 1 year na pagitan mula dun sa diagnosis date ng previous na critical illness diagnosis. When it comes naman to cancers, ang ating life insured ay pwedeng makapag-claim the second time around, provided ng ating client ay cancer-free na for 5 years. Bago makaklaim ang ating client ng critical illness benefit, kailangan muna nilang malagpasan ang 14 days na survival period. Yung 14 days naman na ito ay tumatakbo na from the date ng diagnosis niya. Meron din itong waiting period na 90 days. Itong 90 days na to, nag-start naman ito from the time na na-issue yung policy ng client. After 90 days, the client can claim for a major critical illness benefit. Ibig sabihin, if ang client natin kumuha ng policy today, pagkatapos na diagnose na siya ng major critical illness within 90 days from the time na na-issue yung policy niya, unfortunately, no claim period pa ito. Hindi pa makaka-claim ang ating client ng ating major critical illness benefit. Next feature, minor critical illness benefit. Our life insured can claim 20% ng sum assured for any of the covered na 15 minor critical illnesses. Pwede itong maklaim ng isang beses lamang. Parehas lang din ito ng survival period na 14 days from the date of diagnosis yan at meron din itong waiting period na 90 days. Let me show you our 15 minor critical illnesses na kinocover ni FWD. So, meron tayo ditong juvenile conditions from 0 to 17 and meron din tayong adult conditions which are from 18 and above. Next feature ay ang waiver of premium. Wini-waive nito ang lahat ng future premiums or succeeding payments ng client natin kung ma-diagnose na siya ng kahit anong major critical illness ni FWD. For example, 8 months pa lang na nagbabayad yung client natin sa plan niya. Pagkatapos na diagnose siya ng heart attack. At heart attack is one of our major critical illnesses. Therefore, our life insured will no longer need to pay for the next premiums ng plan niya. So kung 10 years to pay yung plan ni client, fully paid na yung buong 10 years na yon. Ang ganda niyan at huwag nating kalimutang i-highlight yan sa clients natin because our client can fully focus sa recovery niya at hindi na niya kailangan pang isipin yung babayaran niya sa insurance na kinuha niyang Set for Health. And last but not the least, health life benefit. This feature provides 100% return of total premiums na binayaran ng ating client provided na walang naging major critical illness claim ang ating life insured upon reaching the age of 75 years old. Kaya pwede nating sabihin sa client natin na, Mr. Client, para ka lang din pong nag-ipon. At habang nag-iipon ka, covered ka ng critical illnesses benefit. No attachable riders, no policy fee, at no other charges ang ating FWD Set for Health. During application naman, makikita nyo ito na kailangan yung sagutan ng ating client at ito ang tinatawag natin na non-forfeiture options. Ang purpose ng non-forfeiture option na ito is to ensure na yung clients natin, meron pa rin silang may receive na either full or partial benefits or partial refund ng premiums niya in the event na maglalapse yung policy nila or i-discontinue nila yung policy nila due to non-payment. So we have three types of non-forfeiture options. First one is reduced paid up. The policy will continue to be in force or effective, pero nare-reduce niya yung sum assured na nilagay natin sa plan. Kapag ito ang pinili ng ating client, yung cash loan ay no longer applicable. Next naman is automatic premium loan. Ito naman, the policy remains active or in force as long as merong cash values na sufficient pa rin na mabayaran yung mga premiums na hindi nababayaran ng ating client. Pero kapag hindi na sufficient ang natitirang cash values ng plan para masustain sana ang policy, terminate na rin po yung policy ng client natin eventually. Last is policy surrender. In the event na hindi na nakakabayad ang ating client sa kanyang FWD Set for Health plan, terminate na lang po ang kanyang policy at kung magkano man ang cash values na nasa plan niya ay maibabalik sa ating client. Let's take a look at the commission rates. So, iba-iba ang commission rates depende kung anong payment term ang pinili ng ating client. And that's it! Set for Health gives multiple critical illness protection, death benefit, return of premiums, premium waiver, at flexible premium options. Simple, clear, at very valuable for our clients. Thank you for joining us in this quick training.